What is going on, y'all? What a beauty day. Look at this. Look at this view. Unbelievable. I gotta put this one on YouTube. It's so good. See, the builder's happy too. Pretty straightforward setup here today with my favorite pump in the entire universe. We're pouring something kind of cool. The actual pump setup itself is extremely basic. But yeah, I got a little slope driveway action. Nice tight slump, so she don't slough down as the boys are screening it back. We got about 30 yards of concrete in here, just over 30 yards. Going to match up with some of the existing stuff there that was previously poured. This is the first day of the year that we've used accelerator. We're actually down to almost freezing weather. Oh, the most exciting part of the day. I got a new reducer. Goodbye, Mr. Pop Can. Well, Pop Can-ish. I got a fancy dancy deluxe Conforms hardened 5-4 reducer on there. Christmas has come early, apparently. When I'm packing up here, we'll check in on that, talk about that a little bit more. But for now, we're just going to thump this one out. Nice, easy little Friday. Got the old Dykers down doing their thing. So I love how there's little 2.5-inch hose for this resi work. It's real easy to get a nice steady flow out of it. Especially when we get in pouring tight around the house there. Keeps the splash down. Which is of the utmost importance with a home such as this. Want to say anything, stud? You want to say anything to the camera or what? You?
No, camera shy.
Alright. You had your chance. Buddy. That's the perfect slump. But it's doing that funny stuff like the sand is a little goofy again too. It'll go dry, wet, dry, wet. You stop the pump for 30 seconds and then you get like 3 strokes of Presto logs and then it comes way wet behind it. So it's not your fault. Overall, it's been very good though. But yes, the slump is bang on. Bang on. Best slump of the day.
I get lucky sometimes.
Yes, we do. Synchronized bowl floats, or is it dueling bowl floats? I'm not sure, one of the two. I prefer synchronized. Finished product? Screed finish.
Screed finish.
For extra traction. No slippage.
Put a screwdriver on it. Okay? Listen to it.
Oh, on the ejector. Yeah. It looks like the concrete's getting hard.
Just a little bit.
Just right or what?
For the slope and everything, that's exactly what we want.
So for our
Right, and I don't want my big board marks or anything, so it's going to be nice and
smooth,
reasonably so that we
smooth,
get a good
but
split.
not so smooth that it's slippery, right?
Well, we're going to splint it after, but I don't want big shoulders and big board marks.
So for the DIYers at home, the knee boards are so that your knees don't sink into the concrete. Just place the load, right?
That's my weight out.
And then you take the mag and you rough it up to get some cream. Bring the cream to the surface.
Take all the bumps out.
Take all the bumps out. Bring all the fat to the surface and then lick it out with the trowel.
On this slope, you got to mag up so you don't, when you pull down, you get big divots.
So you're not dragging it all down.
Everything's got to work up.
Same with why they were only bull floating up rather than pulling it back down, right? You know somebody's gonna say you should have poured it from the bottom and worked uphill, right? What do you say to that? They should come out here and do it. Come out here and show you how to do it that way.
Turn around, bend down, street, up the hill, and you're going to be face planted every time.
Yeah, we're going downhill and look at the sweat coming off of them. Yeah.
Semi-smooth.
Semi-smooth. Here comes the satisfaction. Here's the reward. Oh, yeah. That's what it's all about right there. Beautiful. Mwah. Hey Roger, it's your time to shine. Here comes the sponge. Final finish. I would say this is probably our best seller, isn't it? The sponge float.
Yeah.
It's a very popular option. Aesthetically pleasing. High traction surface. Oh, so you mag it up again before you hit it with the sponge?
Oh, no, just where my board marks are.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I was sort of smothering over and then I smothered over.
But otherwise, it's just sponge on trowel.
Swirl.
Beautiful.
Left the circle, right the circle.
How about a California swirl? Can you do that? And then for your more traditional finish, we are home stretch, last couple yards. We're cool here in the shade. Fortunately, I've got on my heated gloves. These are actually quite nice. I question the durability and how they're going to hold up to the work environment of cementitious materials and such, but so far so good. Day one, thumbs up.
I've been trying it for years. You have? There.
And just like that, we are almost finished here. Just placing in the last little bit. Almost a perfect reach. Got lucky again. We'll probably check in with the guys here one last time before we roll out. Roger's just scrubbing away on that second load, which fortunately is in the shade because that second load kicked off pretty good actually. It set faster than the first load. Anyhow, check back in for the outro in a couple minutes here. And just like that, we are finito here. So that'll be it for today. Just taking one last view of this gorgeous Friday afternoon. Guys just putting the finishing touches on this. Another little lick on those stepping pads there. And another half the driveway to sponge float out, and we're good. All right, we are all done just cleaning up. Just putting everything back together here. My reducer I was mentioning earlier. My Conforms. See the little H there? The H in the part number designates that it is a hardened reducer versus a non-hardened. So from what I've been told is, as of recently, all of their hardened stuff is painted white, and the non-hardened stuff is the tan color. So I got a nice hardened 5-4. Hoping to get about 20,000 cubic meters through that one. The standard ones we get about a little less than half of that. So I bucked up, got the good stuff. I don't like to skimp on reducers, especially stuff that's hanging from the boom over people's heads and over roofs and whatnot. So yeah, we will track and see how that goes. That was day one on the new reducer. Isn't it weird? It's the little things that get us pump guys excited. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. Maybe I'm just more weird than everybody else. Debatable. Just like that, we are all finished. Jair here just licking out the last pass on the sidewalk. Beautiful. You want to say anything?
Not really.
No? Okay. I'm going to move on down to the next guy in line then. It's okay. He'll warm up to the camera. He's a little shy. It's okay. Okay, Roger, I'm done. I'm leaving. You gotta do something though. You gotta say like, share, subscribe 3 times. Just look at the camera and just say it. I know it's stupid. 3 times. Go. Subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
One more time.
Like, share, subscribe.
And then the last time, like you're angry and excited.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Man, you should try out for WWE wrestling. One of them wily guys that does double backflips off the top rope. Chris would be the guy with the unitard, the one strap.
Yeah.
And I don't know what our friend over there.
Well,
Booker T. That's perfect, actually.
I'd like to see him do a spinneroonie.
I was more partial to his brother Stevie Ray, but that's all good.